Welcome to VibeCraft, the command center for AI agents. Click on Davion to select him. You can move him by using right-click. Use the Create Folder ability to create a new folder and click on its name to rename it. Existing repos are in the drop-down box, but we're going to call this folder Demo. Create a new Codex agent and right-click a folder to attach the agent to it. I'm going to ask Evelyn to create a simple website by mentioning her in the chat. You can still interact with agents using a native terminal within the app if you'd like. You can use the resize building ability if you're not happy with the size when you place it down. Our chat interface provides a powerful summary of all the important information. This is better for gathering crucial information from multiple agents than juggling multiple terminals. You hear a completion sound and the agent visually displays when it's done. Let's create a browser building to check out the website that Evelyn just made. Great, let's ask Evelyn to stop the server and commit our changes. In VibeCraft, repos gain XP from commits and can level up. Now, I want to work on two features on this project at the same time. Good thing is, VibeCraft natively supports Git work trees without any complicated setup. I'll name one work tree Dark Mode and the other one Search. I'll get Codex to work on one and Claude to work on the other. I'll select them both and mention them in the chat to prompt them to read our code and store it into memory. Sounds like they're done. I'll get them to implement the features side by side. In the chat, I'm asking Felix to add a dark mode toggle to the blog. And Antoine is going to add a search bar. Watch them in action. You can see the tokens they're churning through as they pop up beside them. Let's check out the dark mode toggle that Felix added to the blog. Oh, Antoine's done too. Alright, not bad, Felix. It works on all the pages, not too shabby. Let's destroy both agents as they've done their job. We'll click the Merge to Source ability to merge the work trees into our project. I'm just going to trust that Antoine did a good job. This is a quick demo video after all. Don't try this at home. Evelyn, please be a dear and run the server again. Let's see how the agents did. And would you look at that? Looks like we've got both dark mode and a search bar now. VibeCraft makes working with agents in parallel simple and fun.